Be ready? Start. On the facts of this case, we cannot inclined to grant temporary custody to the respondent to take the child from India. Stop. That would affect the child's study, and further there is an ex parte order of the US court given permanent custody to the father, and if that order is executed by the respondent, there is danger of the boy not returning to India, thus frustrating any order that we are asked to pass giving temporary custody to the respondent. Stop. As to visitation rights, of course, the respondent can be given as long as he wants to visit the child in India at Pune. So far as this aspect is concerned, the point has not been argued before us elaborately, but in case the respondent is coming to India, he could in advance of at least 4 weeks intimate in writing to his counsel either at Bombay, Delhi, with copy to the address of the appellant child, and if that is done, the appellant shall positively respond in writing. Stop. We grant visitation rights for 3 hours per day, twice a week, at a time and venue at Pune to be agreed by counsel and the appellant, and this shall be at a place at Pune where the counsel or their representatives are necessarily present it or near the venue. The respondent shall not be entitled to take the child out from the said venue. Stop. The appellant shall take all such steps to comply with the above visitation rights of the respondent. Stop. Over. Dictation from Legal Matters, 250 words at the speed 100 WPM. Outlines are given at the end of the dictation.